So far, the hardest part of this model has been getting this exhaust system to line up. Tweaking, bending, had to clearance the muffler here and here for the frame, otherwise they stuck up too far. But it's looking good now. Another thing that you've got to watch with this Warlock kit is that they give you parts from other versions of the kit, and there's I think that's probably the transfer case that the kit wanted you to use. That's the call out part numbers, but I like this one better, and dimensionally they seem to be exactly the same. Drive shafts fit when I did a dry fit of everything, so that's I just went ahead and went with that one. So this, you have to install this transfer case after you put the exhaust system on, so that's kind of the key to it. So we'll get this chassis put together and then move on to painting the cab and the box, and then decal it up. And the interior is reasonably nice. I think Rocky will be happy with the results of this when we're done with it. Rear axle and drive shaft in place. I let all that dry up some so it doesn't move around, and then assemble you got the drive shaft from the tail housing of the transmission to the transfer case, and then to the front axle, which is right here. Oh, okay, a little tweaking here and there, and I got everything down in place. Exhaust lines up. Drive shafts are all in. Axles sit down on the spring perches, all sit down the way they're supposed to. Let's see, yep, it's nice and solid. Had to clearance this cross member. I don't know if the camera will focus that well. The cross member underneath the oil pan there. There's no distance between that and the axle. This thing would be a rough riding sucker if it was real, wouldn't it? So we'll let that all dry up and let all the glue get good and hard, and then we'll get this paint job. Getting down to the end of the build on Rocky's Warlock model. All the sub-assemblies are pretty much complete. Just need to put a few details on, get them ready for white glue installation. That's the old school way of doing it, I guess. Painted on the marker lights. They were not very clearly molded, so it was a bit of a challenge. I just used up some Testors enamel. It's probably 10-15 years old on this paint. Decals are robust. They don't fall apart, which is good, but it also makes them a little bit hard. Setting solution takes a while to soften them up. So all I need to do is add these decals, and here's the glass, and I put a Dodge sticker in the back window. So that project's been on hold while I've been doing this. So should be able to wrap this thing up within the next day or so. Be done.